Today we're going to go over how to format your presentation slides to vertical orientation. First up, Google Slides. To start, head over to the File tab, then down to Page Setup. Next, you're going to click the drop-down and select Custom. And you can either put in 1080 by 1920 pixels or whatever your custom format needs to be. Click Apply, and that's it. Your slides have been transformed. Next, we'll do the same thing for PowerPoint presentations. To start, head up to your Design tab. From there, go to Slide Size, and then click the drop-down for Custom Slide Size. From here, you'll be able to click on Portrait Orientation and also add your own custom dimensions should you need them. And that's it. Your slides will be in vertical format.